Have you ever wanted to go camping or backpacking without having to worry about bringing canisters of fuel for your stove? Have you been on the lookout for off-grid means of cooking, provided there's a massive power outage in your area? Enter the rocket stove. There are many products available to choose from. Best rocket stove, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best rocket stove from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. EcoZoom Versa Portable Rocket Stove. The EcoZoom Versa stove uses wood, charcoal, or solid biomass fuel. It is perfect for camping, outdoor cooking, and emergency preparedness, and is our most popular model in the United States. The Versa provides the same efficiency and heat output as the Zoom Dura when cooking with wood, and offers a more controlled cooking experience while using charcoal. Crank up the heat on your outdoor cooking, burns twigs, branches, charcoal, and wood readily available at campgrounds, so you don't have to worry about carrying heavy fuel canisters. Number 2. EcoZoom Dura Rocket Stove. The EcoZoom Dura Rocket Stove burns wood and other solid biomass fuel. It is great for camping and off-grid cooking, and has proven its durability in developing countries, where it is used daily in areas of abundant firewood. The well-insulated combustion chamber forces gases to mix with flames, decreasing harmful emissions and heightening fuel efficiency. The refractory metal-lined combustion chamber increases the lifetime of the stove, and the stick support makes it easier to use longer pieces of firewood. Number 3. Bruntmore Camping Gear Rocket Stove. The Bruntmore wood stove is a heavy-duty, portable rocket stove. StoveGuard is best for outdoor or indoor activities for hunting, fishing, camping trips, backyard cooking, outdoor events, or survivalists. Amazing usability. This camping cooking set can hold all parts inside for easy transport and storage. Converts from the box easily and quickly into a fully functional backpacking stove. Add dry wood and light it up on this alcohol stove. You will be ready to go in just 5 minutes. Number 4. Marsh Kettles Camping Mini Rocket Stove. The Marsh Kettles Camping Mini Rocket Stove is a heavy-duty, portable rocket stove. Packs flat for easy storage or transporting. It slots together for easy setup or breakdown. Perfect cooking for camping, backyards, Boy, Girl Scouts, outdoor events, preppers, survivalists. Easy to find fuel twigs, branches, pinnacones, etc. Lightweight and convenient. Easy to assemble, easy to ignite. Gravity self-feeding. Number 5. Schwanjo Bulletproof Rocket Stoves. The workhorse of rocket stoves. The 50BMG delivers all the power you need. The new 50BMG rocket stove can cook a large meal, boil water quickly, smelt lead for casting bullets, and with 43 chimney, can be used as an emergency wood stove heater, tent heater, or ice fishing heater. Highly efficient, burns very hot with very little wood. Ashtray allows the stove to run without the need to shut the stove down to empty ash. Higher output, easier storage, and better air control. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.